Hello, Magadi SIS MELLY. Magadi Mori Koko. SIS MELLY, I'm one of your fans. I don't usually comment if I'm pamninge mchitama ngirikini mashows na Auntie Selena. But I just wanted to say something. Since I started watching your shows, you have taught me a lot. And I'm still learning. And I'm still following you. Everything you do, everything you say. I do what you say. And please keep it up. And please come all the time. Nema shows I'm not sure. Every time I'm not aware something, it's more like God or God is speaking to you about what's going on in life. And some things we don't usually want to come and say this or approach you, but you always come nema programs anoti bada but achitivaka futhi. I thank you so much. I wish if I'd know you for I don't know for how long, my life would have been better than the way that it is now. But my marriage is improving. Even my own self, even the love for myself as well, and for my kids. Thank you so much. And please thank Father Diary for what you are doing, because you would not have been doing it if he wasn't behind you. Thank you, too. Thank you so much. And please don't follow or don't listen to people who talk rubbish about you. Just know that we are behind you. We follow you. Mami said Zimba that you don't even know. That we haven't even talked. But you have built mine from scratch. I've been married for 21 years. I have my ups and downs. Sometimes I wanted to walk away. But my show saying you anondibetsera and anondisimudzira. I always look forward to see you na Auntie Selena. Please keep it up. I love you so much.